the largest bird. Ostriches are birds that do not fly, but they can run as fast as a racehorse and can keep up the speed for half an hour. They are too tall to enter most doorways. An ostrich tends its chicks and eggs, the biggest and strongest eggs of any bird living today. One weighs about 3.5 pounds. The longest bird migration. Arctic terns migrate farther than any other bird. Twice each year they fly about halfway around the world. In summer, they nest and raise their young in the Arctic. They fly to the coasts of Antarctica for the winter.